Yeah, I'm Group Captain Rajiv Dubey, Senior Test Pilot at HAL. Presently, in front of you is the Indian multi-role helicopter, which is a 13-ton class helicopter, which we aim to replace the Mi-8 and Mi-17, the Russian helicopters which Indian Air Force bank on. Presently, you can see the 1:3 ratio model of the aircraft. It has got the multi-role. What name has been given is because it can be used for versatile role, be it weapon. You can see 4 stations which can carry 4 rocket pods or ATGMs or air-to-air or guns. Additionally, it has got EW suite also in terms of RWR, MOS, LWR. It's a 2-seater pilot, co-pilot. They fly this helicopter. It's a glass cockpit with new FedEx engines which will be utilized and give better power to weight ratio. It can carry close to 36 passengers. It can be used for SHBO, be it at sea level, be it at high altitude, CASUVAC, VIP role, underslung. It can carry gypsy or slide guns very into the battlefield, and it can get it out at a rapid pace. And the rotor, as the main rotor you see and the tail rotor you see, it's a designed in its own. It uses the best technology, the new technology which is being used for design. Hence, the performance of this helicopter in terms of flying qualities and landing at high altitudes will be supposed to be superior to what Mi-8 and Mi-17 can be done. So in coming years, I'm sure HAL will come a big way into production of this helicopter, and we will take total self-reliant in 13-ton class, which will make us totally self-sufficient in helicopters in terms of Make in India.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.